Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the topic lenses. A lens is any transparent material having two surfaces of which at least one is curved. Lenses refract light in such a way that an image of the object is formed. Light is a transparent material. In lenses, light passes from the glass and as it enters from one medium to the other, the path of traveling, the angle of traveling is changing and refraction occurs. In mirrors, the phenomena reflection occurs, while in lenses the phenomena refraction occurs. Lenses of many different types are used in optical devices such as cameras, eyeglasses, microscopes, telescopes, and projectors. They also enable millions of people to see clearly and read comfortably. There are different types of lenses. The lenses which causes incident parallel rays to converge at a point is known as convex or converging lens. The lens is thick at the center and thin at the edges. Another type of lens causes the parallel rays of light to diverge from a point. This is called concave or diverging lens. This lens is thin at the center and thick at the edges. Basically, a lens is each of the two surfaces of a spherical lens is a section of a sphere. There are two spheres. A section of this sphere, two spheres overlap and a section of sphere makes a lens. This is convex lens and this is concave lens. There are two types of lenses. Now we are going to discuss different lens terminologies. For convex lens, this is the convex lens. The center of the convex lens is called optical center. Each of the two surfaces of a spherical lens is a section of a sphere. The line passes through the two centers. Is called the principal axis. What is optical center? A point on the principal axis. At the center of the lens is called optical center. It is represented by C. What is principal focus? These are the parallel light rays to the principal axis. The light rays traveling parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens after refraction meet at a point on the principal axis called principal focus or focal point. Hence, convex lens is also called converging lens. For a concave lens, the rays parallel appear to come from a point behind the lens called principal focus. Hence, concave lens is called the diverging lens. In convex lens, the light rays converge at a point, while in case of concave lens, actually the light rays after refraction diverge and they appear to meet at a point behind the lens. This point is called the focal point. This is the virtual focus and this is the real focus. The distance between optical center and principal focus is called focal length. Same for concave lens. The distance between focal point or principal focus to the optical center is called focal length. This is the distance between the optical center and the principal focus. Light rays after refraction converge at point F. This is the case for convex lens. And light rays after refraction diverge from principal axis. This is the case for concave lens. The next term is power of a lens. Simply, the power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of focal length in meters. The focal length should be in meters. We are going to take the reciprocal that will be equal to the power of a lens. The SI unit for power of a lens is diopter, denoted by capital D. 1 diopter is equal to 1 meter inverse. 1 diopter is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. Because the focal length of a convex lens is positive, therefore its power is also positive. whereas the power of concave lens is negative, for it has negative focal length. This is the image formation by lens, convex lens and concave lens. This is the convex lens, this is the convex lens. Object is placed at the left side and the image will be formed at the right side. Different rays, ray 1, ray 2 and ray 3, these different light rays coming parallel, and after refraction they meet at the point in front of at the right side of the lens, and real and inverted images formed in case of convex lens. And this is the ray diagram for concave lens. It is a concave lens. This is the object. Three different rays, R1, R2 and R3. These rays are coming. After refraction, these light rays actually diverge. They appear to meet at the same side, at the left side of the lens, and the virtual image is formed in this case. These are the different cases, image formation in convex lens. In this topic, we have to tell we are going to tell about where is the object placed, and we have to tell where the image will be formed and the nature of the image. In first case, object is placed beyond 2f. Object is beyond 2f. The image will be formed between f and 2f. The image will be real, inverted and smaller than the object. In second case, the object is placed at exact 2f. The image will be formed exact at 2f. The image will be real, inverted and same as the size of the object. Object between f and 2f. The image is formed beyond 2f. The image will be real, inverted and larger than the object. When the object is placed at f, no image is formed because the refracted rays are parallel and never meet. When the object is placed between lens and focal point f, the image is behind the object. This is the object and the image is formed behind the object at the left side of the lens. The image will be virtual, erect, larger than the object. Image location by lens equation. The relation between the object and the image distance from the lens in terms of the focal length of a lens is called lens formula. That is same for the mirror and lens are the same equation. 1 over f is equal to 1 over p plus 1 over q. F is the focal length, p is object distance and q is the image distance. Here are sign conventions for lenses. Quantity, when the sign will be positive and when the sign will be negative. Focal length, if the focal length is positive, then the lens will be convex. If the focal length is negative, the concave lens is used. If the object distance is positive, then the object will be real and the object is toward the left side of the lens. If the object distance is negative, the object is on the right side of the lens and it is virtual object. Image distance. Image distance, if the image distance is positive, q is positive for real image made on the right side of the lens by real object, and q is negative for a virtual image made on the left side on the lens by real object.